आपको क्या लगता है why do students and aspirants take so much time to qualify? 5 attempts, some of them going for 6 attempts, and some of the very brilliant minds who have been toppers, who have been great students themselves through their college, through the schools, they've been gold medalists. अच्छी अच्छी इंस्टीट्यूशन से क्यों लगता है कि बच्चों को 2-3 साल लग जाता है? What's the reason there? I think the main reason is the students have three problems. Number one is they don't understand the examination's nature. एग्ज़ाम का नेचर क्या है, क्या पूछता है, कैसे सवाल आते हैं, what is the approach required. One. Number two, year after year student miss out on doing the basic essentials. ये जो essentials हैं, these are the most important layer on which the entire preparation is built. सबसे आसान काम, so the easiest work people go for is they take up a course and join it. Courses online ho, offline ho. In the courses, what happens is you do not have too much of efforts. You join a class, teacher gives you notes, the teacher gives you the material, and your involvement, जिसको हम active learning करते हैं या active learning कहते हैं, most of you are not doing that. And by the time you want to do that and you want to understand the examination process in a bit more manageable way, it becomes too late. कोई भी process में अगर आप 1-1.5 साल डाल दें और वो method ठीक नहीं है, वो method somewhere is compromised, it's very difficult to come back and start again. This is the main reason why lot of students take so much of time and why many failures happen. हम देखते हैं बच्चों को 2-3 साल प्रिपेयर करने के बाद भी प्रीलिम्स में 30-40 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, स्कोर इज अराउंड 67, nowhere near the cutoff. And you are seeing year after year, if you are a borderline case, it's very tough and dicey. You have to have at least 10-15 marks above the cutoff. अगर 85 cutoff जा रहा है तो you should have scored 95-100 types. अगर cutoff 90 है तो your score should have been 100 plus. So after 2-3 years of preparation, I still don't see students near the cutoff. Forget about crossing cutoff. And the common excuse is UPSC is unpredictable. UPSC is, there are flaws in the system. The questions are wrong. See, all of these aspects of luck and all of that matters only when you are near the cutoff. Cutoff 85, you have scored 82, 83. It's a luck. The system probably did not support you. Your cutoff is 90, you have scored 91, 92, you cleared, a matter of luck, the system somehow fell into place. But cutoff अगर 90, 85 है and you are scoring 30, 40, 50, how is this a problem of the system? How this is a problem of your luck for that matter? So ये जो gaps हैं where you are missing out big time in your prelims say cutoff से, the primary reason is you have not done the essential studies, you have not done the most important process-based studies in UP preparation. आप कितने भी कोर्स ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, आप कितने भी क्लासेस कर लीजिए, अगर आपका essentials strong नहीं है, you'll always struggle. Because क्लास का एक पेस होता है, क्लास का एक डिज़ाइन होता है. In a class of 100, 200, some of them even larger classes, the teacher cannot pay attention to each student. और ये लाइन ऐसा है, you cannot have one-on-one mentoring taking care of the entire course. Mentoring काम आ सकता है when you want to enrich, when you want to add to the content. लेकिन essentials में और foundations में you have to do a lot of things on your own first. So I think यही problem है. To support this thing, what I have done is I've started a drive to help you finish your NCRTs. NCRTs आपको ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. NCRTs notes आपको ही बनाना पड़ेगा. NCRTs coverage की जिम्मेदारी आप पर है. As teachers, as institutions, we can give you targets, we can give you some milestones, but ultimately करना आप ही को है और ये करना ही होगा. You do not do it now, you do it in 3rd, 4th attempt, then your marks will improve somewhat decently. You don't do it now, you do it in the 5th attempt, marks will improve decently in the 5th attempt. You don't do it ever, trust me, UPSC will be very, very tough to clear. So NCRT जो हम इसको essentials कहते हैं as a part of USC preparation, please do it with me. With me, I will give you targets, I will give you some bit of reminders. I will take submissions also for evaluation, of course, against a very small contributory fee of 21 rupees, more like Guru Dakshina, ताकि आपकी कमिटमेंट लेवल हायर रहे. So NCRTs हमारे साथ करें. I will remind you, I'll push you, I'll set the schedule for you. Join my Telegram channel for this. I have been doing this for almost now 2 months, and I have helped students cover around 6 NCRTs by now. 3 on Indian history, 3 on polity society. तो आप मेरे साथ रहो. We can do this NCRTs together. And let me remind you one thing. NCRT एक ऐसा चीज़ है, you should not join a course for NCRT. I have a very, very poor opinion for anybody who joins an NCRT course. NCRTs जो फंडामेंटल्स हैं, NCRT एसेंशियल्स हैं और स्कूल लेवल किताबें हैं, अगर ये अपने आप नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं, आपको उसकी मोटिवेशन नहीं है, देन वेरी सॉरी टू से दैट यू डू नॉट डिजर्व टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन. फिर शायद आपका कुछ और इंटरेस्ट है, आप वो करें. आप इस लाइन के लिए फिर बने नहीं हैं. यू आर नॉट मेड फॉर, यू आर नॉट ट्यून फॉर द ग्राइंड दैट यू नीड टू स्टडी फॉर UPSC प्रिपरेशन. सो NCRT एसेंशियल्स आप मेरे साथ करें. ज्वाइन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल. वीक वाइज 10 days में हम आपको टारगेट्स देते रहे हैं. We have listed down the range of NCRTs, around 20-30 NCRTs हैं जो आपको करने चाहिए. We'll focus initially more on history, polity, geography, economy, और धीरे धीरे I'll also help you cover some topics of IR, social issues, and science and technology environment also. So welcome to our NCRT Essentials का drive on the Telegram channel. I, Shabir, is committed to help you, supporting you in the process of your UPSC preparation, in particular NCRT Essentials coverage.